everyone, this is Britta from ZSK, and today I will show you how you make 3D embroidery on caps like a pro. I'm going to use my Sprint 8 here, the perfect body for your 3D and cap order. The popularity of cap embroidery is still massive after all these years, and it's getting more popular every season. If it's for custom caps or team sports, it's all out there. Let me demystify the process for you a little bit so you can impress your clients with some neat new product line. So let's jump right in. First of all, you need the right embroidery file. We got ours from Vitor Digitizing. If you want more tips and tricks on how to digitize for 3D Puff, check out our content. Secondly, you need the right needle. So we choose needles with the shorter shank so that the thread is actually free to move when it enters the high material. Number 3, pick the right foam. The stronger the better, I would say, and if you have, match the color to the thread. Number 4, choose the right thread. I recommend standard polyester thread. It is strong and resistant. Last but not least, you need the right machine. You can use any single or multi-head tubular machine. We're going to use our Sprint 8 here. Why? Because we have reinforced frames, very strong. We have super strong springs inside and improved levers to handle Puffy up to 8 mm with ease. I'm going to change to our cap drive now. And thanks to our quick change system here, it's super easy. Just before you do this, make sure you move the pantograph a little forward, so when you change to the cap ramp here when loading, there will be no error message. Plus, it will be much easier to attach the cap then. I've already hooped our cap here with our hooping station. Make sure you check out the video for more tips and tricks on that. I'm going to attach this to the machine now. One tip from my side, make sure the bobbin is full so you don't have any stop in between to take out the cap. I'm going to load the design, and now that you've been asked for the ramp, make sure you use the cap frame. Make sure that when you load a cap design, if you didn't do it before, now rotate design by 180 degrees. And also our start point will be in the middle, which makes it easier for the placement later. So we can just lower the needle now and position it towards the center of the seam. So digitized well, so it's already perforated. No, that's my favorite part. Very satisfying. Small crumbles like here can be simply poked back on the back side. And if you still have some crumbs left, carefully use a heat gun. It melts any outstanding leftovers away and gives the 3D look the full finish. Right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more below, and I see you next time.